How to know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily know if someone is busy on a Snapchat call. So if you try to call someone but they're not responding, then that probably means that they're busy with someone else, or so you can check it on your app. So first you'll have to access your chat section by swiping right, and from here you can just tap on the chat. And now if you try to give them a call, so as you can see, the call is ringing and it's not immediately cut off, then that means that they're not active right now. So if they had been busy with someone else, the call would have been hung up immediately. So that is the first way to know, and the easiest one to know if someone is busy with someone else on Snapchat. But if you text them something and they open up your text, like is as you can see here, it says delivered, but if it says opened, like this one right here, then that probably means they are not picking up on purpose. So if you type in something, you will see a little icon right here at the bottom of your screen, right here, somewhere right here, it will pop up. So you will know that they are active. And if the call is cut off immediately, then that probably means they're busy with someone else. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.